Hello everyone. Oh, my voice, it's early, so my voice is not quite there yet. Anyway, so today I'm doing what I eat in a day. So I'm just going to be showing you all the meals that I eat, all the little snacks, and it's going to be a realistic one. I'm not going to pretend I'm eating healthy if I'm not. I will show you everything that I eat. So I've just got ready, come downstairs. I don't usually have a big breakfast. I normally, when I wake up, I just don't feel hungry. I sometimes do intermittent fasting, so I won't really eat until about 11 or 12. So I'll have like they say a 16-hour period is classed as a fast. So if I stop eating at like 8, then I won't eat till like 11 the next morning. But I have recently got these things that were sent to me. I'm going to show you. So it's like these little smoothie yogurt things. You know, like when kids have them little yogurt pouches. They're similar to that. So I was going to have this one this morning, Start Me Cocoa. So this is a breakfast blend one. But they do other ones that you can have during the day. So yeah, this one, what's it got in it? Apple, banana, barley and oats. And I had one the other day and it was really nice. So yeah, I'm going to have that first thing this morning. And then in a couple hours when I feel a bit more hungry, I'll have my proper breakfast. So I'll show you what that is then. Okay, so it is time to make my official breakfast now. I'm going to have avocado and scrambled egg on toast. I'm using this bread today, so it's the Holy Seed Sensation. The bread that I usually would use is from Aldi. It's like a seedy bread and it's like bigger slices. It's so yummy, but I've got this one today, but it's still nice. And this is low in saturated fat, I think, this one, because I put it into my Fitness Pal. Once I've done it, I'll tell you how many calories it is as well in my Fitness Pal, in case you wanted to know. And then I've just got standard avocados and Tesco eggs. I don't really do anything fancy with my eggs. I literally just crack them and scramble them. I don't like really put much seasoning in them. I might put a bit of salt in, maybe something else. We'll see. We'll see what I've got. But yeah, I'm just going to make that now. Is my breakfast. You can season it with anything else that you want, like pepper. I just don't like pepper, I'm not a big fan. And I only use half the avocado in the end, so the other half I'm going to wrap up and hopefully it'll be okay for tomorrow. If not, maybe Zach will eat it in a bit. So I finished. I did leave a little bit of egg just because there was quite a lot of egg there. I don't know why I did so much. So that was quite a calorific breakfast. I say breakfast, but it's actually like 11:30, so it's more of like a brunch. Let's say brunch. So it's 486 calories. So yeah, that is my brunch. I probably won't eat now until the afternoon. I'll have like a little snack. We're gonna go for a nice walk soon, and I'll probably have like an apple or an orange whilst I go for a walk. And then when I get back, that's when we might have like a little snack before our dinner. So because I have breakfast so late, I don't really have a big lunch. We don't really have lunch at all. I don't know what we're having for dinner yet, so it's a surprise for all of us. I just quickly want to say as well, I don't always track my calories. It's just something that I'm doing whilst in lockdown because I'm just conscious that I'm eating a lot and not doing much. So yeah, I just want to make sure I'm not excessively going over my calorie intake every day. Other days for breakfast I'd have porridge usually, so like oats, and I'll put a bit of honey in it, and then other days I showed you them things, them little yogurt pouches, I'll just have that and then maybe have a big lunch. So I change it every day. So that is so far. So what's the time? It is 20 to 12 now, so I'm going for a nice walk and then I will update you if I eat anything good. See you in a bit. So we're just out for a walk now and I've got myself an ice cream. I've got a Solero and it's only 95 calories. So I'm pretty happy with that. I don't know how much sugar it's got in it though. What have you got, Zach?
I've got a cookies, white chocolate cookie.
Good.
I got a
Ava's got a Calippo
Yeah,
and Leah's got a fruit pastel one. So yeah, we're gonna go a nice long walk and then when I get back, we'll probably want some snacks, won't we? Maybe like some hummus, some pita, I don't know, something yummy. And then we've got to figure out what we're having for dinner. We still have no idea what we're having for dinner. But yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy this lolly now. And I'll see you later on YouTube. Hello, so it is dinner time now. It is Friday. So the day that I was filming yesterday was Thursday. And I come home from the long walk and fell asleep. I fell asleep. So Zach made the dinner and I didn't end up filming that dinner, but I'm going to film today's dinner and it's more exciting anyway, so it's better. We are having fajitas, Friday night fajita night. So we're not making them from scratch, we are using Old El Paso. Is that how you say it?
Old El Paso.
Old El Paso. The kids are going to have fish fingers in their fajita and we're going to have corn, chicken pieces, we're going to make some potato wedges as well. We're going to cook them in the actor fryer here. We're going to cut up some peppers, got some cheese, we're going to cut some cucumber up. We've got some jalapenos and obviously sour cream. I love sour cream, cannot have a fajita without sour cream. And then I've got this lovely little drink here that I am going to be drinking with my fajitas.
And Daddy forgot the cucumber. Well, apparently he bought it, but it's not in the bag.
Yeah, that did happen. Look how angry he is about it.
Really angry. I'm going to have to go get another cucumber.
Yeah, so I know it's not a fancy dinner at all, but it's like a little tradition that we've had since lockdown that we have fajitas every Friday night before we do a little quiz with some family. So yeah, I'll show you us making them, even though it is just in a bag.
There's no words to say it, but I'll find them over time. There's no way to show it, but I'm gonna try for the rest of my life. 'Cause you are the best part of me, the side I hope everyone sees.
So for this one, I have no idea the amount of calories are in it or anything because it's just a bit of a treat night, so I'm not really worried about that. I'm just going to eat it and enjoy it.
The best part of me, my daylight sky blue.
Hello everyone, sorry my hair is crazy. So I would have showed you our dinner, which technically it's tomorrow's dinner, but obviously I forgot to film today's, but I would have hopefully already explained that. But I'm going to have one of these now quickly. So what is the time? It is about 6 o'clock. Let me check. Yeah, it's 10 to 6, so I am going to have one of these Swisse Me shots. I'm going to show you them, hang on. So they are called Replenish Me, and this is the artichoke flavour one. But honestly, they're really nice. They're a little bit sour, so if you don't like sour stuff, you might not like them. But they do other flavours. So this is the Replenish Me artichoke plus curcumin. Curcumin. On the back here it says, when the workout's over and the day isn't, try this replenishing and tasty shot for size. Fat-free, low sodium, source of fibre. And it's just got loads of other goodies in there as well. So I'm going to have this little drink now and hopefully that will stop me from falling asleep at like 8 because I feel so tired. And I had a nap when we got home from the walk. I had a long nap, which is why I didn't film dinner because I was napping while Zach was making it. But it's fine, we filmed the fajitas and the fajita night is the best night. So hopefully that was good. I don't know because I've not seen it yet. Anyway, let's drink this. Cheers. Okay, so it is 9:20 now. And I'm going to make myself a peppermint tea and I'm going to have a little treat as well. Let me show you. Zach bought these cookies from the shops earlier and I'm definitely going to have one with my tea like that. Oh yeah, I'm going to have peppermint tea and a cookie and that will probably be me done for the night. So our kettle is broke, so I'm going to have to do it the old fashioned way and have to boil water in a pan. I should just buy a new kettle.
Yeah.
If anyone's got any free kettles, They want to send me. Okay. Anyway. I've also got a box of these broken biscuits. My granddad brought them over the other day, social distancely. I don't know if that makes sense. But yeah, I love these broken biscuits because they're just a treat. Like, you never know what you're going to get. So exciting. It's like what Forrest Gump said, a box of broken biscuits. You never know what one you're going to get next. It's chocolate.
What you're gonna get next.
I still said it wrong.
Next,
you never know what you're going to get. It's chocolate, it's not biscuits. I've got it all wrong. So I have sat down on the sofa now and I'm going to drink my tea and eat my cookie.
What have you done with my wife?
Put a little face mask on, if you can tell. I can't talk. I couldn't tell. Not sure how well I'm going to be able to drink my tea.
An Egyptian.
So that is it. That is the end of the video. I can't end it with this face, can I? But yeah, that is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy it. And if you did, please do give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Oh God, it's really getting into the lip now. It can't be good.
A Star Wars baddie. That's what it is. That's what you look like.
Okay. Anyway, thank you so much for watching and I will see you in another video. Bye.
Yeah.